Hello everyone, and with the wellness Nutrishake and some amazing other ingredients today, we are going to make a wonderful recipe which is a smoothie. We are going to make vanilla and cranberry smoothie. So for that we need vanilla Nutrishake, which is very good, highly certified, and has a very good amount of protein and fiber. And then we have these dry cranberry that you can get from market, and then we have the curd. Also we have some oats here, you can see, and some honey that we will be blending together, and we will be making a fantastic smoothie. So let's start it. So for that what I will do is, सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा, I will open my blender jug, right? I will open this jar, of course, and then after that I will put some cranberries. Okay, so some cranberries I'll put into this jar. First of all, these are very tasty, right? And fill up with antioxidants. बहुत antioxidants होते हैं इनके अंदर, so बहुत ही अच्छे हैं आपके लिए, आपकी हेल्थ के लिए, and especially if you are trying to lose weight or you are looking to maintain your weight, या फिर आप अपनी बॉडी को फिट रखना चाहते हैं, एनर्जाइज रखना चाहते हैं, इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करना चाहते हैं. So the cranberries are really good. Okay, now what I will do is I will add some water. Not that much, a very small amount of water. I can add a little bit more. That's it. After that what I will do is I will put curd. Okay, so मैं कुछ curd इसके अंदर ऐड करूँगा. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, this is the 3rd spoon, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th spoon, right? So this much of curd, I will add a little bit more. Okay, this much of curd. Okay, now what I will do is I will take the Nutrishake. I will take Nutrishake Wellness by Oriflame Nutrishake, which I have right now here. I am going to add 2 spoon. Okay, 2 tablespoon. So let me just take it, and right now I'm taking vanilla flavor. You can take strawberry also, according to your choice. This is the 1st spoon, and then this is the 2nd spoon of Wellness by Oriflame Nutrishake, which is highly rich in protein and fiber, and also 100% natural, no color, no preservative, no artificial ingredient, nothing like that, no artificial color. So बहुत ही अच्छा है ये. अब ये सब कुछ ऐड करने के बाद what I will do is I will add a little bit of honey. Okay, हम थोड़ा सा honey ऐड करेंगे. So like this, I think this is more than enough. This is absolutely perfect quantity. After that I will add these oats that you can get from market, oats. So I will add oats. 1 spoon of oats is more than enough. बहुत ही enough है ये 1 spoon. And then what I will do is मैं अपने jar को close करूँगा, and I will blend all this together, right? So I hope you are ready. 1, 2, 3, go. And this is how the smoothie is ready now. So what we will do is we will shake it a little bit, and after that what we will do the plating. हम इसको arrange करेंगे एक ball में. So this is the ball, and now in this ball what I will do is I will pour it. मैं इसको pour कर लेता हूँ. Like you can see the crystals, these crystals are of cranberry. Okay, this is a perfectly made smoothie. So like you can see the thickness. This is the thickness. And if I show you the empty jar right now, so there is nothing left. So everything was just blended well. सब कुछ अच्छे से blend हुआ है. So now अब मैं इसको थोड़ा ऊपर से गार्निश करूंगा. How can you garnish it? आप ड्राई फ्रूट्स ऐड कर सकते हैं, और या फिर आप अगेन थोड़े से क्रैनबेरीज डाल सकते हैं कट करके, राइट, लाइक दिस. राइट, इस तरह से. I'm sure it's gonna look delicious. आप इसके ऊपर हल्के से ओट्स डाल सकते हैं. And it's ready to taste. So let's try this. It's absolutely nice. It's absolutely perfect. So, when are you going to try this recipe? Don't forget to tag me when you are going to try this recipe. This is just mind-blowing. It has a very good amount of protein, fiber, and very healthy for your body. Thank you.